Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, I talk all about DIY content creation, you guys. And today we're doing DIY iPhone shoot.
I'm not really into saying what you wanna hear.
So my original idea for this shoot, you guys, was to do a fun, nice little outdoor shoot, golden hour, fake a little picnic in the backyard, but that was a fail. Golden hour never happened. I was being attacked by mosquitoes.
I'm not really into saying what you wanna hear, so please excuse me. And I don't really give a damn how much you make, my dear, so please excuse me. Not looking for typical.
So we are outside. I wanted to shoot in the backyard. I was hoping we'd have more sun because it's golden hour, but right now it's like literally humid and sticky. Something could definitely be living over here because no one ever comes over here, man. We're gonna try it. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick.
Typical LA guys. I've been staying busy and I don't have time to waste.
Alright, you guys, so for this shoot, I'm gonna use my tripod that has a phone attachment onto it. If you guys have seen any of my DIY photo shoots, I talk about how this is just a top of a selfie stick that I attached to here. I'm going to be using, of course, my phone. I have the iPhone XS Max, and then I'm going to be connecting it to my laptop so I can see the screen. So I'm going to just use a cord, standard iPhone cord, plug that into my computer, and pull myself up. Let me show you guys how exactly I do that so that I can shoot with my front-facing camera. So on my laptop here, I'm opening QuickTime. I'm going to file new movie recording, and then if your phone's connected, if you click the little down arrow next to the record key, you should see the option to choose your phone, which might be your name, whatever your phone is named, and then just make sure it's on and it will pop up on your screen. So I'm just going to view that full screen so I can see it. Pull up my camera.
It's time that you see. If you wanna impress me, show some depth in your soul, let those layers unfold. If you wanna undress me, show your chase.
After careful review of those photos, those were not it. Yeah, the lighting was not there, so we're gonna shoot in the studio. After that fell of a shoot, you guys, we decided to bring it back in to the studio. When I was outside, I was shooting with the Lightroom mobile camera to try and get DNG files, which are a bit more crispier than the natural iPhone files, but I've been finding that I just like what the iPhone camera looks like. So when we brought it to the studio, I just used the regular iPhone camera, but I actually put on the vivid filter that comes with the iPhone. So if you tap the little up icon on your camera and you click the little three circles, those are the filters, and you swipe over one time. The first filter is vivid, so I really like that one, especially if you guys are posting on social media. People are typically more attracted to liking photos with more saturation in the colors, and so vivid kind of gives you that effect. So I shot these photos on vivid, really made the background and everything pop for those photos, but it was really fun, you guys. I set it up in the studio with two soft boxes. They just have two hue bulbs in them. I just used the bright setting for the hue bulbs to light this. I really like how that looks on the phone. So other than that, you guys, I just had fun. I put on some teen music from my tweens. If you guys are interested in what music I photo shoot to.
Hey Coco, want to say hi, Coco? Come here. Come say hi to everybody.
Yeah. Oh, you cute little Yorkie. Do I want to do pink or blue? Let's do blue.
In your soul, let those layers unfold. If you wanna undress me, show you're chasing your goals, but still love the unknown. Cause we don't know where it'll take us. Maybe the future will erase us, but if you wanna impress me, you gotta know it ain't easy. Maybe young, but I still know my way around the game, so I can see you. Doing all the little tricks they say will always work, like you're supposed to. Not looking for typical LA love. Surface level romance never been enough for me. it's time that you see. If you wanna impress me, show some depth in your soul, let those layers unfold. If you wanna undress me, show you're chasing your goals, but still love the unknown. 'Cause we don't know where it'll take us. Maybe the future will erase us. But if you wanna impress me, you gotta know it ain't easy. Saying what you wanna hear, so please excuse me. If you're intimidated by anything that I want, you're gonna lose me.
Now we're going to edit.
95 down the freeway, tryna breathe, watch what I say. Don't wanna regret, don't wanna upset you. Fix my hair in the mirror, what you think when you see her? I hope she got class, cash doesn't get past you. I know you like it when I'm right by you, do anything for you to like me too. I've been trying to find myself in you for too long. Always realigned myself for you for too long. Became an outline of who you wanted me to be. It's time to let it rest in peace. Set myself free, it's been too long. Set myself free, it's been too long. Set myself free.
I hope you guys enjoyed taking DIY iPhone photos as well as editing photos. I know I've done a couple of these videos. I just wanted to kind of update it, have a little bit more fun with it. But yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up to support my channel. Love y'all. Peace.